Spy Ninjas, we are here to figure out Regina's last name so we can defeat Project Zargo.
Yes! And I can possibly find my family.
Well, me too, I guess. But we gotta be careful. There's a lot of hackers patrolling the area. We can't give away our location. Shoot, look at them over there.
I heard that the Spy Ninjas are here. Do you see them anywhere?
We gotta split up. Come on, guys. Let's go this way, guys.
Okay. Oh, hold on. It's hard to get off the phone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No!
Hackers! Regina!
Let's save her! Let's get out of her! No!
Regina! Where'd Regina go?
Wait. I think I got on a phone call. It's Regina!
Guys, it's okay. I'm safe. Just go on without me and find my last name.
She's fine. The last time we found your last name, Daniel, I think it was like in the foam pit.
Regina's last name has to be there too.
Yeah, it's gotta be. Come on. Wait.
Shoot!
Hide behind here.
Why don't we just fight them? I could take them both on.
No, stop, Melvin. That's not the Spy Ninja way. We do not attack first. We gotta do stealth mode.
Because if you blow our cover, we're not gonna be able to get Regina's last name.
Or my last name, okay? Why don't we just rephrase that whole thing? We're trying to find my last name today. Regina ain't here.
Got the Spy Ninja noise enhancer right here. Let's listen.
All right, new guy, if you're gonna be a member of Project Zorgo, you gotta know our enemies.
One dude's holding pictures. What the heck?
Well, yeah, that's 44. And his baseball bat.
Who's the other guy? He also has red gloves too.
They look like clones of each other.
He looks nervous.
First question, who is this guy?
That's Tyler.
Tyler? No. Try again.
Right.
Does this look like a Brian to you?
Yes.
He's quizzing that new guy on who Chad is? He doesn't know who Chad Wild Clay is?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, what kind of noob is this?
Everybody knows who Chad is. He's the coolest guy on YouTube.
Yeah, that boy has 12 million subscribers. And if y'all ain't part of it, you could be a subscriber too.
This is a V channel.
V can almost get to 12. Help her get there by taking your cellular device and rotating it 90 degrees and hit that red button. Turn it gray.
Because that's the color of your heart.
All right, tell me who this is.
Azzy. 100%. That's Azzy.
Let me take a little bit closer look at this picture. You are wrong.
He doesn't even know Regina's name? That means this dude probably doesn't even know us. What we look like.
Or Melvin.
All right, you reset these pictures. I'll be back later.
Oh, he's leaving.
Okay, at least that new guy's by himself now.
He's still trying to memorize everybody's names.
Wait, in the back of the paper must be the last names of all the people in front of it.
You're right. Does that mean Regina's last name is on the back of her paper? We can find out Regina's last name.
Okay, well, let me go and finesse it from that dude.
Yeah, he doesn't even know who you are, Melvin, so he won't recognize you.
Still about to get finessed by the best. Oh, hey, give me those papers.
Come on, Melvin, get the Regina paper. Do you think Regina's last name, could be GIZMO?
Maybe in the future, but not now.
Really?
If you play your cards right.
You can play cards to do that? Go fish?
Oh.
Hey, Regina, wanna play Go Fish? And then the winner gets...
Yes.
What are you doing in here? This place isn't supposed to open for a couple hours. Who are you?
Couldn't you tell by my demeanor that I'm the manager of this fine establishment?
What is Melvin talking about? He's the manager?
Who does he think he is?
Okay, well, if you're the manager, show me a trick.
Yeah, I'll show you a trick, but do you know how to operate a camera?
I think I can do it. Let me set these down.
Good job, Melvin. He got the guy to put the paper down.
The paper's right there, look.
Yeah, we should go use our stealth skills, Daniel.
Okay.
Get out of the paper.
You're the smallest Spy Ninja here. I'll document it, okay?
Okay. Thanks to the tech guy. That
makes
makes sense.
Exactly.
Yeah, just look over here, okay? Okay, I'll show you my skills. And that's a full twist. See, you believe me now?
Okay, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, I can show you a couple more.
Oh.
Go right there. Oh my gosh, he's right out in the open.
You're not even film for me. You're getting too distracted. Come on.
Come on, B.
You gotta come a little bit closer.
This is a better angle.
No, you're not. You're gonna miss everything.
Get the Regina one.
See, check this move out. Wow.
Dude, yes.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, Daniel. He was stepping on it the whole entire time.
Did you get them all?
Here's Regina's.
Yes, here's Regina's. Okay, so her last name might be on the back of this?
Yes.
Let's see.
Wait, what?
That's not a last name.
What one? There's a number in her last name?
Regina 1?
What?
That makes no sense.
What? Is her parents Elon Musk?
There's 2 other blanks right here.
What does that mean?
How come the other ones say our last names on it,
Yeah.
but Regina's doesn't?
All right.
Whoa.
I'm the manager.
Okay, yeah. Where are my papers?
Uh-oh.
Oh gosh.
Do you know where they are?
They must have been cleaned up or vacuumed by my staff.
Your staff? No!
Chase me across this, sucker! You don't challenge the manager.
You're not the manager.
I am the manager.
They're battling it out. Go, Melvin, go.
Oh, good job, Melvin.
They'll buy me some time. I gotta lose this dude.
They're moving to the rings now.
Uh-oh.
Move, Daniel, move.
Leap, Melvin, leap. Boy.
Oh, they're both not very good on the swing.
Oh gosh, get out of there, Melvin, get out of there.
Yeah.
These foam blocks are not gonna do anything, but you know what will? This punch!
Oh gosh.
Doesn't it seem like Melvin's just having fun?
I guess, you know what? He's got this, man. We gotta find out Regina's last name while he's doing this.
That's true.
It's just a new guy.
You know what, the new guy, I don't even think he got to our pictures yet. All I heard was Chad and Regina.
So we can probably show ourselves and he won't even know. Okay. There's gotta be other clues around here,
Yeah,
V.
I wonder what this means.
Yeah, keep looking, keep your eyeballs out.
Wait, Melvin.
Did you take down the new guy?
No, I offered him some free jump time here because told him I was the manager. He's a pretty good guy, actually.
Pretty good. No, don't be friends with hackers.
We had to find Regina's last name, man. Focus. But that was good. That was good. You distracted him.
Oh, my phone. Wait, what the heck? It's like it's getting hacked or something.
Your phone's getting hacked.
Wait, does this look like a map to you?
It looks like,
This location.
Well, what the heck? Yeah, what's going on here?
Melvin, since you're the manager, what is this?
The new guy can't be hacking us. He's new.
Who's hacking us then? Is it 44?
No, this doesn't look like Project Zorgo hacking techniques.
Maybe that's where Regina's last name is, or at least the 2 last codes we need.
I think it's this way. Come on, Melvin, focus.
Go.
It's right up there.
Dude, that's it. That's it right there.
Wait.
Oh, shoot. There's the new guy.
He's beat up. I was kidding about giving him jump passes.
You did that to him?
Heck yeah.
Oh, Melvin, why is he guarding this?
That's where we need to go, man.
Maybe that little contraption is what's holding the key.
We're looking for like 2 more numbers, and then I think it'll unlock something with her last name.
It's lunchtime. I'm just gonna play video games. Ooh, Among Us.
What's he doing now?
Wait, he's playing a video game, Among Us?
Yeah, it's actually #1 on Twitch and probably gonna be #1 on YouTube Gaming for quite a long time.
Why did he have to choose that spot to play it?
Yeah.
We need to get Regina's last name.
Oh my gosh, is that 44?
Uh-oh.
You're playing games over here? You're supposed to be memorizing the Spy Ninjas.
Oh gosh, he's gonna get in trouble.
Okay, we got Chad Clay. He's the tall one with the blonde hair. Then you need to know Qwaint. She's about this tall. She got long black hair. You gotta watch out for her. She'll sneak up on you.
I am way taller than that. He went super low. He was like this. I'm like this. Like this.
Yeah, like that.
Like that. Yeah.
Really?
Then we got Daniel GIZMO. He's the goofy one. He's got the big eyebrows. His leg always hurts.
I do not have big eyebrows.
Well, you do. I like them.
Then we got Regina. Do you want to hear her last name?
Oh, yeah.
It's Regina.
He's whispering it. Noise enhancer.
The noise enhancer. I can't hear it. He's a really good whisperer.
Don't tell anybody about that. Anyways, memorize those names.
Okay.
All right, you better know them before I get back here.
Okay, donkeys get very queasy riding golf carts while coloring. Yes, donkeys get very queasy riding golf carts while coloring. Yeah.
What is that new guy? What is he whispering right now?
What's he talking about? Donkeys get very queasy riding golf carts while coloring? Guys, that's so weird. Comment down below if you, I'm speechless. He's gone, guys. We can check out this area for Regina's last name.
What is this device? Oh, his laptop. I mean, a tablet.
He left Among Us here.
He's playing by himself.
I'm gonna take this iPad, bro.
Hey, Daniel, we don't steal.
All right, well, there's gotta be a clue around here. One of the missing numbers we need to find out Regina's last name.
Okay, you're right. Look for a number.
This VR rig.
Wait a minute.
What?
Look at this. This is a picture. We've seen this expression before.
That looks like Regina.
She still makes that face.
Yeah, she always makes that face at me.
Yeah, oh. What is she wearing on her head?
I thought it was a chef's hat.
So weird.
Oh!
Dude, this is it. Look, It's the 3 blanks again. Melvin, we found this one before. So it's like
0.
1 0.
So we need to find the last one.
there's one more number, and then I don't know what we're gonna do once we find it.
I keep seeing that 4 there.
It probably means nothing, Melvin.
All right, guys, we're so close. Let's focus here. We only need to know one last digit on here.
V, how can we explore this place with the new guy patrolling? He knows what we look like now. He's gonna see my eyebrows from a mile away.
We should do what Regina would do. Go in disguise.
She has the master disguise, right?
Yeah.
I'll hide my eyebrows and you hide your black hair.
How's this? I'm like Pippi Longstocking, you know?
It doesn't really cover all your hair.
Well, yeah, I have a lot of hair.
Regina's much better at this, dang it.
Actually, just looks like a brain.
This guy's new, right? He just knows the description of you. You're gonna see that white hair and be like, oh, that's not V.
It's true, I'm wearing blue. You might think I'm Daniel, you know?
Here, throw this on too. Maybe that'll help cover it.
Thanks. That's so nice.
Now, V, it's up to you. You can explore this whole trampoline park and the guy won't recognize you.
Yeah, you're right.
I'll hide my eyebrows.
He still thinks I'm the manager.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, let's keep looking for that last number, okay? Regina, we're coming for you. We're gonna find out your last name and find your family. You guys over there.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
What is he doing? He's holding something. What is this? It's like a yellow thing.
Oh, it looks like a purse of some sort.
Oh, he's opening it up.
It's a picture.
It's a little baby. It's a girl. A toddler.
It's like a toddler.
Oh, that's Lizzie as a child.
That must be Regina.
That's not Lizzie.
No way.
It's that really angry face, you
She
know?
always look at Daniel and she's like...
But sometimes she looks at me other ways. But most of the time, it's that. I mean, that's probably the last code that we need. On the back of that paper, I bet is numbers.
All right, you know what? I think I'm gonna get that wallet from him.
Yes.
You still look like Daniel Gizmo. I mean, I look like, you know, Pippi Longstocking. Okay, here I go. Excuse me.
Hello.
Hi, I just got off of school and I'm just I was jumping around here in the trampoline and I think I lost my wallet. It was a yellow wallet. It's shaped kind of like a moon or a lemon or lime.
No, there's no, no.
It looked just like that.
Shit, no.
It looked just like that.
This is my wallet.
I think that's mine. It has a picture of me in it.
Wait, you're small.
Small, cause I'm tiny. I'm still in junior high.
You don't have black hair.
Look at my braids. I'm like Pippi Longstocking. But don't touch it, please.
Wait.
No, please don't touch my hair. It's very rude.
Wait a minute. You, Lizzie Capri.
No! I don't know where the hacker is, but I'm way down here.
I give up. I'm just gonna play Among Us.
Oh, he's really tired. All right, guys, he's right at the edge. I think this is the perfect time for me to get close to him and try to get that wallet out of his pocket. Let's go. What? A little rabbit? Why does he have a rabbit in his pocket? I'm looking for the yellow purse. Okay, let's try again. It's a horsey. Why does he have so many toys in his pocket? What kind of newbie is this? How old is this guy? He has all these toys and stuff in his pocket. Oh, I think I got it. What? A DVD? Why is he carrying this around? It's a DVD? How old is this guy? I thought he was young, but now, gosh, people just stream nowadays. What kind of magical pocket hoodie is he wearing? How are he gonna carry so much? Oh my gosh. This is it! This is the purse! Let's get out of here, guys! Guys! I got the thing! I got the wallet!
You got it!
Wow!
Let's see what the code is here.
Oh, it's ripped up a little bit.
My phone's ringing!
Put on speaker.
Hello, Spy Ninjas.
Mr. E?
Mr. E?
We haven't seen him in so long! Where's he been?
Where have you been, man? You're the mysterious guy who's been helping us, and then you just vanished for like months.
Yeah.
Good job finding all of the clues. On the back of that paper, you will find the last code you need.
This paper is a picture of Regina. The last code.
4.
I told you it was 4.
It was
I saw
4.
the 4 over there by that machine thingy. You didn't believe me.
It probably means nothing, Melvin.
Sheesh. So the code is 104 for what? What's the code for?
Yeah. What, Mr. E, what is the code for?
The answers you seek can be found on the top of the trapeze.
The
Top of the trapeze. Okay.
It's that way. I saw it.
Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Go. Come on, Melvin. The trapeze is this way. Oh my gosh. It's on top of here?
Uh-oh.
I don't see anything up here.
What are we even looking for? Like a box to type the code into?
Some sort of lock?
Maybe it's down in the foam pit again.
Oh gosh. Okay, you know what to do.
V, you were an expert at this last time. Just do it again.
Yeah.
We're gonna find Regina's last name. Isn't this exciting?
Yes, exciting.
Do it.
Let's do it. Melvin, go find your last name, man.
Yeah, Melvin, you do it. It is your last name after all, too.
Yeah,
You know,
go find it, Melvin.
your brother and sister with Regina.
It is my last name. Let's go find out my last name.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh geez.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
how about you?
My palms are sweaty again. Should I just do it?
Do I let go now?
No. But you're standing all
My hands are sweaty too. This is scary.
You're standing all funkily, Daniel. Oh my gosh.
Come on, baby, we gotta find out Regina's last name.
Okay.
I'm gonna let go. I'm coming too.
Maybe there's something down here, Daniel. Come on.
Here I go.
Oh.
Mr. E, what is this?
Oh.
Whoa. This is it. There's a place for 3 numbers. So if we just put in 104.
Yes, this has got to be it, Daniel.
Yeah, let's go to a place where there's no hackers.
Okay.
Let's open this thing.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here. We gotta get out of here.
Let's go.
Gosh.
There's gotta be something good in this thing.
Yeah. Oh, Chad, Regina.
What are you guys doing?
Oh my gosh.
We made it in.
We found this box. We haven't opened it yet.
Yeah.
Open
What are
the
you waiting
damn
for?
box.
We wanted to get out of this place, but now we got some backup, so let's do it. The code is 104. Oh. Whoa.
Look at that! I know who that is.
Melvin, is that you?
Whoa!
Melvin?
I see the resemblance.
Oh, it does look like you, Melvin.
Barney! That's who I'm talking about. It's Barney! Oh, wait, there's a girl here, too.
You didn't notice the girl,
No,
Chad?
I just saw Barney and I got excited.
Oh.
I recognize this photo.
What?
That's Regina.
Is this me?
Why do you look like that?
Hey!
Well, obviously it's her. We're here to look for Regina's last name, which is possibly my last name.
Oh! It says my name all over the back.
It is Regina.
Regina. Crossed out things. Wait, this must be my last name. But it's all scribbled out. Wait. Everything's crossed out but this I. There's an I.
An I?
So there's an I in your last name and an E.
Only vowels?
That could be any last name. Or maybe it's the song E-I-E-I-O.
There's an O.
Donald's.
Regina McDonald's.
You only have 2 letters. Don't jump to conclusions, okay? I know we just finished at a trampoline park, but y'all busy jumping to conclusions.
Oh! That's all that's in this thing.
Okay.
There's no other letters.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey, Cloaker, you know what time it is?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Let's go. Let's go this way. Outside.